my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. The unit I have to show you guys today is from Sensationnel and it's from their What List collection, and I have her in the style Zaila in the color Flamboyage Blonde. This unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty. Thank you so much to our good friends at Samsbeauty for sending this one out to me. And I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys. I already filmed a review on this week before, but I had a wardrobe malfunction and I didn't notice till after, like when I was about to edit, and I noticed, you know, the malfunction in the video, and I obviously couldn't post it like that. So this is going to be my second time trying on this week. But of course my thoughts and everything will still remain the same, but I just wanted you guys to know. So as I was saying about her, I have her in the color Flamboyage Blonde, and this unit is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. For the key features on this one, she comes with a 13x6 ear to ear with 60 hand tight pattern area, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-customized units, protective style, no leave out necessary. And for the special colors on this one, we have 613 Flamboyage Urban, Flamboyage Blonde, Flamboyage Chocolate, Flamboyage Mocha, and Flamboyage Sand. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So let's see what we have. So this is what she looks like. Love this color, absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It comes with two combs in front, one comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps as well. And this is what the hairline looks like. I already tinted it with my lacing, so that's why, you know, the color has changed, but this is what we have going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop out my head and of course share my thoughts with you guys. And just in case you're interested in this one that I have on, this is one of my favorite wigs at the moment, and I already have a review on her as well. I'm going to leave a card right here so you can click on the card to check it out in case you're interested. So let's just go ahead and take her off.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in.
All right guys, so this is what we have after styling, and I love the color on this unit. gorgeous. Love it. For styling, I went in with my black radiance contour palette. I normally would go in with my lace tint first, but since I already used the lace tint on her in the previous video that I tried filming, so I didn't see any reason to go in with it again. So I just went in with my black radiance contour palette, and I just used that to furthermore blend the hairline in. Went in with my Elegant concealer, and I just used that to define the pattern area. And when I was done with that, I went in with my hot comb, and I just used that to flatten the center and to comb the baby hairs to the back. And I'm just being lazy today, so I didn't, you know, glue her down, because to be honest, I'm not going anywhere with this wig. I'm probably going to yank it off once I'm done filming this video. So I'm a bit lazy today, you guys, excuse my laziness. So I didn't glue her down, but you definitely want to glue her down if you want to make sure that, you know, it's secure and you're wearing her out or something. And this does feel snug and firm on my head, but I still have a bit of room, even though the ear tabs on this one are quite short. If you guys can see, it doesn't get to, you know, like this place right here. It stops right here, but it's not still bad. I don't have a problem with that. And for shedding and tangling with her, I didn't really experience any form of tangling with this one, but she did shed a little bit when I was combing her out. Nothing too crazy though. Just a couple of strands did come up while I was brushing her out. And for the texture and density on her, this is a light yaki textured unit. For the density, it's around a medium to full. And in case you guys are wondering how long she is, I'm 5'6" for reference, and this is where it gets to right here. I think she's cute and she's definitely worth your coins. The only issue that I can see with this one is that we have lots of stray hairs. Let me not say a lot, but a couple of stray hairs flying here and there with this one. If you guys look closely, you will see that we do have stray hairs flying here and there. But to be honest, that's not so much of a big deal for me, so I'm not going to, you know, talk about that too much, but I just thought to bring your attention to that. And yes, I was about to end the video here, but I think we're just going to go ahead and switch her to a right part, because I'd like for you guys to see what she looks like as a right part as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So this is what it looks like styled to the right, and I think she's also cute styled this way, but I think I'm on team middle part today though. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Team middle or team side part? And for my final thoughts on her, I think she's definitely worth your coins. You know, you can go ahead and style her in multiple ways, and she's still cute one either way, so she's definitely worth your coins in my opinion. Direct link is going to be in my description box, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notifications so that every time I have a new upload you would be notified. And share with your friends, share with your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.